Daily timesheet navigation for supervisors. As a supervisor, you are able to access timesheet for members of your team to view their daily punches, absences, hours worked, and more. This video demonstrates processes to access and overview fields on the daily timesheet for members of your team in preparation to edit and approve the timesheets for the payroll run. You are able to access your team's timesheets in two ways. Team Tasks to display timesheets for your full team, Employee Tasks to display an individual team member's timesheet. Team Tasks. To access your team's timesheets through Team Tasks, click the Team Tasks option on the header bar to display the Team Tasks dashboard. Click the magnifying glass icon in the Team field to select your team. Click the Subteams checkbox if applicable, if you want to see timesheets of team members that members of your team supervise. Leave the Pay Groups field blank. Date selection is pre-selected as current pay period. To change the date selection, click the drop-down and choose the date range, or enter a start date and end date if the date selection is a manual date range. The date selection field automatically populates to manual date range if a start date is entered. Confirm that timesheet is populated in the action field and click Go. Two hyperlinks will appear under the team name. The Show Admin Roster Employees will generate employees' weekly timesheets. The Show Hourly Employees will generate employees' daily timesheets. Click the Go hyperlink next to Show Hourly Employees. Team members' daily timesheets will display for the date range selected. The system will populate one employee's timesheet at a time. To view the next employee's timesheet, click the drop-down next to the employee's name to select the next employee. Employee Tasks. To access an employee's timesheet through Employee Tasks, click the Employee Tasks option on the header bar to display the Employee Tasks dashboard. Click the magnifying glass icon in the Employee field to select your employee. If you need to search for an employee, type a few identifying characters in the employer name field and click Find. Then click the employee's name or number to display the employee's name in the employee field of the Employee Tasks dashboard. So let's just select our employee. Date selection is pre-selected as current pay period. To change the date selection, click the drop-down and choose the date range, or enter a start and end date if the date selection is a manual date range. Date selection field automatically populates to manual date range if a start date is entered. Confirm that timesheet is populated in the action field and click Go. The employee's daily timesheet will be displayed for the date range selected. Navigating the fields on the daily timesheet. Hover the mouse over the employee's name to view the following: the full name, the employee's number, status, pay group, calculation group, hire date. Clicking the triangle on the left side of the screen expands or hides details for each day on the timesheet. The X means the time is unauthorized. The check means the time is authorized. Click the comment icon to enter comments or to view saved comments for the day on the employee's timesheet. The pencil icon is used to change the regular shift, assign a second shift for the employee, enter holiday time, or mark an employee absent for the partial day. The X absent icon is used to mark an employee absent for the full day. The shift field displays the day, date, start and end time, and information regarding flex or lunch. The plus icon is used to enter an employee's plus punches. The work through lunch checkbox is used to pay an employee for an unpaid lunch if you authorize the employee to work through lunch. The time code summary gives a summary of how the scheduled time for the day is allocated. For example, work, sick, or unallocated. The remove holiday pay feature allows a supervisor to remove holiday pay from an employee's timesheet. The duty officer checkbox is used for firefighters called back to work. The roll call prep incidents feature is used for police officers. The additional canines field is used for time spent by police officers who care for police canines. Clicking the triangle on the left side of the screen will expand or hide details for each day on the timesheet. The start time, end time, hours, and time code fields show how the scheduled work time for the day is broken down and assigned to different time codes with the associated hour types. The job field is for the job code. The department field will contain the department code. The project field will contain the project code if applicable. The team field will display the name of the team. The time summary panel at the bottom of the timesheet reflects a summary of time data for the date range on the timesheet. It displays a summary of time codes and the associated hour types for the page. After accessing and viewing the timesheet, the supervisor is ready to edit and approve the timesheet as needed. This concludes our demonstration of daily timesheet navigation for supervisors.